In this video, I want to show you how to find the Wi-Fi password of your Canon imageCLASS LBP printer. So it could work with many different printers. This one over here is the LBP122dw. So let's get started. I'll show you how to get over there. If your display is not turned on, simply press the OK button to power it on. Then press the down arrow. Press it twice until you select menu and then press OK. Then we need to go down and select preferences. So press the down arrow once and press OK. Select network. Again, with the down arrow, we're going to highlight network and press OK. And now we need to select direct connection. This one right over here. Press OK. And now we have again multiple options. Press OK again. Select on to turn on this feature. Then we need to go back again, go back. Select mobile portal is the first option. Press OK. Select connect. Display SSID and network, so go down and press OK. And right over here you're gonna have the name of your printer, direct by Canon, whatever, and then under it you're gonna get the password that you need to connect. This is the password right over here. Obviously yours will be different, so don't copy what you see on your display right now. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me it worked. It's a great way to support my channel. If you want to get some printing supplies, check my Amazon links down below for paper, ink toner, or even a brand new printer. See you in the next video.